Hi, my name's Dr. Jill Tomlinson and I'm a hand surgeon at Melbourne Hand Surgery in Richmond, Victoria. This video gives you information about how to book an appointment at Melbourne Hand Surgery, the information that we ask you to provide and why we ask you to provide it, and information on accessing an earlier appointment. I also include information about our fees, location and video consultation service. If you wish to book an appointment, please send through your doctor's referral. And if you've had any relevant tests performed, such as x-rays, ultrasounds, nerve conduction studies, MRIs or CAT scans, please send through the reports or let us know where you had the test done so that we can request the information and add it to your file. If there's anything abnormal to see in the area, such as a lump or a skin irregularity or a contracture, please send through photographs of the area. Our email address is info@jilltomlinson.com. Our mailing address is 549 Bridge Road, Richmond, and our fax is 8677 9116. We ask for this information so that we can streamline your care. It's so that I and my team can ensure that urgent and emergency conditions are identified and treated rapidly, so that I have all the information required to make a thorough assessment at your initial appointment, to minimise the likelihood of you needing to schedule additional appointments because the information that I needed wasn't available at the time of your appointment, so that I can provide you with a referral for additional tests prior to your appointment if I think that you should have an x-ray or an ultrasound or an MRI. It's also so that if I don't offer the service that you're seeking, or I can't offer the treatment that you need in a timely manner, that I and my staff can identify this. Once I've assessed the information that you've provided, then if I think it would be useful to obtain information about your previous treatment in hospital or by another surgeon, then my staff will contact you to discuss this, so we can potentially obtain the information prior to your initial consult. In some instances, I will have created a pre-appointment video that's specific to your condition, and if so, my staff will send you the link. That will allow you to be better informed about your treatment options prior to your appointment. If you need a professional interpreter, then we'll arrange that. And in some instances, my staff will contact you to recommend that you see a hand therapist and provide you with a list of options, because some conditions are best treated through early hand therapy, and if you haven't yet seen a hand therapist, it might be useful for you to do so while you're waiting an appointment. Finally, if you require an urgent splint for treatment of a broken hand or a ruptured tendon, then having the information about your condition will allow us to advise our on-site hand therapist that you're likely to require their assistance or review after you see me, and that'll allow us to minimise your waiting time. Melbourne Hand Surgery is a private billing clinic, so there are fees and charges associated with your treatment. A standard initial consultation fee is $300. After your consultation, you'll receive a Medicare rebate of approximately $76 for eligible patients who attend with a valid doctor's referral. There may be additional charges if you have additional services or treatments on the day. If you have work cover or TAC insurance, we require that you pay the full standard cost for your consultation. You will be able to receive a partial reimbursement of the consultation cost from work cover or TAC if you have a valid claim number. Payment for your consultation is expected on the day. If you don't pay on the day, then a 10% administrative surcharge will be incurred. If I recommend surgery to you, then our administrative staff will provide you with detailed information regarding the surgical fee estimate and other potential costs of surgical treatment following your consultation. Melbourne Hand Surgery is located at 549 Bridge Road, Richmond. On-street parking is available outside the practice and in nearby streets. Video consultations are available at Melbourne Hand Surgery, but only when I've assessed the clinical information in your file and have confirmed that telehealth is a suitable option for your full consultation. If you've asked to be placed on our cancellation list with the aim of accessing an early or urgent appointment, Please note that invitations to accept earlier appointments are not uncommonly sent via email after hours, so please place us on your email whitelist so we're not ending up in your junk mail folder. Thanks very much for your time. I look forward to meeting you at your appointment.